Shivaya. Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one more variation of the Keherwa Taal. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1, E and 3, E and 1, E and 3, and 1. Let's break it down now. We will divide this variation in two parts. First part is 1 and 2. We will strike the bass of our Congo on the first beat like this 1, and then we will strike and on the high tom 1 and after that we will strike the high tom and mid tom together like this 1 and one more time 1 and the second part is E and we will strike the bass of our Congo two times like this E and then we will strike on the high tom. E and one more time. E and now let's combine the first and second part together. 1 E and one more time. 1 E and the rhythmic pattern of third and fourth beat is exactly same as the rhythmic pattern of first and second beat. Now let's play the complete rhythm together. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and E and 3 and E and 1 and E and 3 and E and 1 and E and 3 and E and 1 E and 3 and 1. So that's all for the today's lesson, and now I want you to practice this variation on your Congo. And if you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.